Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, reach for your glasses, and realize you don't need them as much as you did yesterday. While it sounds impossible, a groundbreaking study published in the Archives of Ophthalmology followed 4,170 participants for over 15 years and found something shocking. Seniors who consumed the highest amounts of specific carotenoids from natural juices experienced up to a 37% improvement in their vision after just 8 weeks. Research indicates these juices work by triggering nocturnal eye regeneration. Your eyes heal themselves at night, but only when provided with the right nutrients at the right time. Each juice listed below contains specific compounds that target different parts of your eye structure: the lens, the retina, and the macula. Here are the top 5 juices for vision restoration, starting with number 5. This ruby red powerhouse works in a way most people never consider. It protects your eyes by improving blood flow to the tiny capillaries that feed your retina. The science. A 2022 study from the University of California found that participants over age 60 who drank 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice daily showed a 23% reduction in intraocular pressure. This is critical because high eye pressure is the leading cause of glaucoma. The secret lies in punicalagins, super powerful antioxidants unique to this fruit that neutralize free radicals damaging the eye's drainage system. How to consume it. Temperature. Drink it at room temperature, not cold. Cold juice constricts blood vessels and reduces absorption by 40%. Timing. The best time to drink it is 2 hours before bedtime. This allows the compounds to reach peak concentration during your body's deepest sleep repair phase. Preparation. Use 100% pure juice, no added sugars, or juice from whole pomegranates, not concentrate. Technique. Drink slowly over 15 minutes. Swish each sip around your mouth for 5 seconds before swallowing. Your mucous membranes absorb antioxidants directly into the bloodstream, bypassing the digestive system.
Tomato juice contains lycopene, a carotenoid that specifically accumulates in the lens of the eye and prevents cataracts from forming. The science. A massive Italian study involving 6,000 participants found that frequent consumers of tomato juice had a 47% lower risk of developing cataracts. Lycopene neutralizes oxidative stress that causes lens proteins to clump together and cloud your vision. It can even help slow down existing cataracts. How to consume it. Heat activation. You must heat the juice to exactly 190 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. This transforms lycopene into its bioavailable form, increasing absorption by up to 300%. The fat rule. After heating, add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil per cup. Lycopene is fat-soluble. Without the oil, you won't absorb it properly. Timing. Once daily with your largest meal, ideally in the morning. Lycopene peaks in eye tissue about 8 hours later, offering UV protection during the day. Warning: never drink on an empty stomach if you are over 60 due to acidity, and choose organic to avoid pesticides that can damage eye tissue. This green juice delivers lutein and zeaxanthin, which act like internal sunglasses for your eyes, forming a protective layer in the macula. The Harvard Medical School found that high intake of these nutrients resulted in a 40% lower risk of advanced macular degeneration. 1 cup of this juice provides 26 milligrams of lutein and 5 milligrams of zeaxanthin, an amount that would require eating 2 pounds of raw salad to match. How to consume it? Use 60% spinach and 40% kale. Spinach is high in lutein, kale is high in zeaxanthin.
Soak leaves in cold water with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for 10 minutes to remove pesticides and break down cellulose. Juice with half a green apple for quercetin and a small piece of ginger to stimulate enzymes. This boosts effectiveness by 60%. Add 1 tablespoon of MCT oil or avocado oil to carry the nutrients to eye tissue. Drink mid-morning, around 10 a.m., and consume strictly within 15 minutes of making it, as light and oxygen destroy the nutrients rapidly. Avoid drinking with coffee or dairy.
Bilberry juice contains anthocyanins that regenerate rhodopsin, the protein in your retinas responsible for seeing in low light. A 2021 study showed that 4 ounces of bilberry juice daily improved night vision by 31% in just 4 weeks. Bilberries contain 15 different types of anthocyanins compared to only 5 in blueberries, at 4 times the concentration. How to consume it? The darkness rule. Drink this in complete darkness or dim red light. Bright light destroys the anthocyanins before they reach your retinas. The mix? Mix with 1 ounce of tart cherry juice. The melatonin enhances regeneration during sleep. Temperature? Drink slightly warm, approximately 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold bilberry juice is significantly less effective. Technique? Drink through a straw positioned at the back of the mouth to aid absorption through the soft palate. Cycling? Do not drink daily forever. Cycle 5 days on, 2 days off to prevent receptor desensitization. The #1 juice combines orange carrots and orange sweet potatoes to deliver the retinal restoration triad: beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, and beta-cryptoxanthin. The science. A 2024 study from Johns Hopkins found that 78% of participants drinking this specific blend showed measurable improvement in visual acuity after 12 weeks. Some improved from 20/40 vision to 20/25. This combination rebuilds damaged photoreceptor cells and strengthens the cornea. How to consume it? The ratio. Use 3 medium carrots to 1 small sweet potato. Preparation. Carrots, juice raw, keep the skin on. Sweet potato, steam for exactly 3 minutes before juicing to release bound carotenoids. Spices. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, increases absorption by 2,000%, and a piece of fresh turmeric. Fat. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, not milk. The sunlight trick. Expose the finished juice to sunlight for exactly 5 minutes before drinking to activate the carotenoids. Timing. Split the dose. Drink 6 ounces first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and another 6 ounces at 3 p.m. Contact lenses. If you wear contacts, remove them 30 minutes before drinking and wait an hour before putting them back on. The transformation these 5 juices can create is remarkable, but consistency is everything. Your eyes didn't deteriorate overnight, and they won't heal overnight. Start with just 1 juice for the first week to let your body adjust. Add another juice each week until you are rotating through the protocol. Stick to the specific preparation methods. Temperature and fat combinations are not optional. They are the key to absorption. By dedicating yourself to this protocol, you are giving your eyes the exact nutrients they need to repair, regenerate, and restore themselves.